Hi, you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less. If you're here for the very first time, this is a channel where we like to share all things beautiful, whether it's beautiful party decor, beautiful wedding decor, beautiful home decor, beautiful travels, beautiful foods, beautiful places, people, and things. We absolutely love sharing those types of things. So, today we have a gorgeous baby shower that is a royal themed baby shower, and without any further ado, let's hop right in. Now, I will be the first to tell you that I was so scared of this color palette. Number one, I'd never used it before. I thought red was an extremely bold color, especially for a baby shower. And then I just didn't know how red and gold would mesh together, but I am so elated with the way that everything turned out. The centerpieces were mixed with greenery and crowns, and Sharonda, one of my friends, and her friend Chris recommended that I use greenery because I was going to use florals, and they were like, oh no, that's too girly. And I'm so glad that I did that. And the centerpieces that you see there, the different crowns, those are a mix of a collection that was put together over time using items from both Ross and from Hobby Lobby. So I'm absolutely enthralled with the way that everything turned out. So many of you guys ask about the centerpieces and napkin rings and all the things that you see me use, so I always try to share as much as I can. But do remember, I share everything in my academy, Lux Academy. I do 4 classes a semester that are live online, and then I do one or a couple classes a year that are actually in person, and I have an in-person class coming up on April 12th and 13th, 2019, and I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested. But the Bling napkin rings are from totallydazzled.com, and I added a little glitter on the base of the plant in order to give that elegant vibe and to bring it all together, because after all, the baby shower is about the mommy to be as well, and she was very elegant. So I also use these pearl napkin rings in the center as well, because again, I wanted to bring that elegance and class to the baby shower to celebrate the mom and the dad to be. So everything turned out absolutely fabulous. A lot of you guys ask about the crown over the backdrop. The source that I purchased it from, I would not recommend, so I'm going to find another one, and I will share that with you guys later, because that one actually broke right after this baby shower. So that's why I said I wanted something a little bit more durable. So again, I was absolutely enthralled with the way that this royal themed baby shower turned out. It was so absolutely gorgeous. If you guys notice, I did something a little bit different with the napkins and the setup, but the reds and gold was absolutely amazing. And the song that you guys are hearing is called Urban Lullaby, and I absolutely love it because it reminds me of like my grandmother and my mother rocking the babies on the porch and just singing. And this whole baby shower was kind of like a tribute to our heritage, and I just, oh my gosh, it just brings tears to my eyes. The plates that you see here are from Posh Party Supplies, and I will leave that link down below. They are absolutely amazing to purchase, like your faux china and your faux cutlery. I mean, they do an amazing job. And of course, you guys know that I had to have that focal point in the dessert table. Rachel did an amazing job bringing all the desserts together. The organic balloon arch, I will show you guys how to do that in the upcoming baby shower workshop on April 12th. Again, I will leave that link down below. And I am telling you guys, Prince Zaire was welcomed with so much love. Oh my gosh, the desserts, the cakes, the cookies, the cake pops, all those things turned out so amazing. And I just could not you know, ask for anything better. You guys know I'm all about repurposing, so the two crowns you see on the side were actually Christmas tree toppers from Hobby Lobby. I purchased those after Christmas for 90% off. You always have to think outside of the box when living luxuriously for less. In the next video that I share with you guys, I'm going to be showcasing a lot of the games that we played at the baby shower. The food, we just did kind of like a traditional baby shower food, but you could definitely do like potato bars and taco bars and things like that. Like, they save a lot of money and they really get people full. So again, in the next video, I think I'm going to post it on Tuesday, but I'm going to be sharing with you guys like Dollar Tree ideas for baby shower games. You are absolutely going to love it. Never seen it before. Look at those cookies. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. The work there is just impeccable. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links down in the description box below. Some of them are affiliate links, so I wanted to just kind of disclose that. But again, thank you guys so much for all of your continuous support. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.